it's not bad, you know?
I guess.
It's not the best level though. Why would you think
We could be playing... we could be playing something worse.
Yeah.
What happened? What? Why did I fly into the ceiling?
Oh my gosh. Why did I die there? Like... I died where the level like freezes and you have to like hold on the ship. It's right before the funny skip.
Oh.
Do you know what I'm
yeah, that's a weird death. Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
It is a weird death. And I hope I don't die there again. That would be very not fun.
Okay, I got an amazing practice run. 17 attempts. In how many attempts total? 400 on our RNAO.
Yeah, I beat it in about 420 something attempts total.
Yeah, this is very easy.
I know. Rod calls it an extreme game, but he's Rod. So
He said it's an extreme?
yeah. If you look at my video at the end, Rod is like, yeah, it should be extreme.
Like, no. Like, in my opinion, the spider is the hardest part.
I can see that.
It's just bad.
I kinda like it.
It's the most unbalanced part of this level.
I'm at the end. Let's go.
I'll go.
This level is like my sleep cycle. Unbalanced AF.
I'm hungry.
I have done dumb. Yeah, I'm going to take more attempts than you, little one.
I just looked it.
Oh, I'm at the end as well.
What? Wait, you beat it? You beat it? How? You're on a rampage.
What happened? No!
How did you die there?
I don't know, I was just buffer clicking. It didn't work.
I flew
It didn't work. I wanted to beat it that attempt.
Just over
Bro.
1K.
Nice.
I bet I'll take less
It would've been
attempts
really-
than you, Cora.
It would have been really like. It would have been really cool if you beat it that attempt because we both would have beaten it on the same attempt. Alright. At least
31.
what? Okay.
I just got 31.
Nice.